Welcome to Sagrada Familia, the most iconic and unfinished masterpiece of Antoni Gaudí, the genius architect of Catalan modernism. As we walk around the exterior of this magnificent basilica, we will admire its stunning architecture, learn about its history and symbolism, and discover some of the secrets and mysteries that surround it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Now let's move to the Passion Façade, which faces the west and was completed after Gaudí's death by his successors. This façade contrasts with the Nativity façade in style and mood. It depicts the suffering and death of Jesus Christ, with scenes from the Passion and references to sacrifice and redemption. The sculptor Josep Maria Subirachs created this façade using angular and geometric forms, creating a sense of drama and tension. He also used numerology and symbolism to convey hidden messages. For example, look at the magic square on the door of the Last Supper. It has 16 cells with numbers from 1 to 16, arranged in such a way that they add up to 33 in any direction. This is the age of Christ when he was crucified. Let's start from the Nativity façade, which faces the east and was the first one to be built. This façade depicts the birth and childhood of Jesus Christ, with scenes from the Gospels and references to nature and the seasons. Gaudí wanted to express joy and celebration in this façade using rich colors, intricate details, and organic shapes. He also incorporated elements of his own life, such as his family members, his pets, and his favorite plants. Look at the 4 bell towers that crown this Fawade, each one dedicated to a saint: Matthew, Barnabas, Jude, and Simon. Can you see the letters A and G on the top of 2 of them? They stand for Antoni Gaudí, who left his signature on his work. As we finish our tour around Sagrada Familia, we can appreciate the complexity and beauty of this unique temple, which is more than just a building. It is a symbol of Barcelona's identity, a tribute to Gaudi's genius, and a testament to human creativity and faith. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.